already got some.
What? How'd you get my mint?
She raped you.
I wish.
I'm a ninja.
Well, we gotta finish them quickly.
Why?
Cause I want my cigarette packet.
Why don't you just put them somewhere else, like in another packet?
What? These
Mm.
got nothing else to put them in.
I don't think I have any.
Yeah, we'll quit holding it between the fucking things.
Hmm?
If they quit holding it between the things, to stop beeping.
Love the mask, man.
He walked past me soon as this dude got a massive ass crack, just like nearly shit himself. Do you think that like 3 minutes of videoing him is enough?
Yeah.